Alrighty, so today we're going to be having a look at determining the equation of an exponential function. You can see we've got a graph right here. Now the biggest thing that we should always remember whenever dealing with exponential functions is that wonderful asymptote of ours, because remember c entirely defines that asymptote. So since the asymptote, and it appears to be in between -2 and -4, so that would be y equals -3, that tells us immediately what the c value is. Since c is the asymptote, c is going to be equal to -3. So our function will have to be f of x equals a to the x plus, well, minus 3. Now all I need to do is work out a. I've got two different points here. I've got this point here, 0, -2, and this other point up here, 1, 2. Sub that in, and we can work out what a is. So let's do it. So sub in 1, 2, and remember we're subbing in the spaces of x and f of x. So that means we're going to get 2 is equal to a to the 1 minus 3. 2 is equal to a minus 3. Well, add 3 to both sides and we get 5 is equal to a, and there's our a value, and we're done. So f of x would have to be equal to 5 to the x minus 3, and there's our equation from a graph. Asymptote first, sub in a point or points to find any other coefficients we're missing. And we can double check this by putting this into a graph, or by subbing in 0 and checking we're getting -2. So let's do that. So since our other point was 0, -2, let's sub that in. So f of 0 would be equal to 5 to the 0 minus 3, which is 1 minus 3, which indeed is -2. So it does actually fit what we think it should. Alrighty, so that is determining a rule from an exponential function graph. See you in the next one. Goodbye.